Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to create a server using Python. Uh, I've already done a file path. I'm going to restart so that you have a clear understanding. Uh, so we'll perform this task using the sockets module. Uh, this is a made-in module. It comes with a Python package, so you must just import it. You don't need to install it using pip. Yeah, let me first clear this. I'll leave there. Wow. So the first thing that we are going to do in the server file, we are going to bind our socket to a particular host, and then we will determine the port number which we will run in, and we will do that using sock dot bind. We will use the bind method and open and our host will be using the local host, which is 127.0.0.1, and our port number I'll be using 5000. You can use any port number you like, and let's just print here. And then we will tell our server that it must listen to how many clients. We'll do that using sock dot listen, and we'll specify the number of clients that we'll listen to. Let's say maybe 9 clients, and then we'll declare our connection. Our connection and address, which will be equal sock dot accept, and message while message is not equal to stop. What will happen if our message is not equal to stop? So let's say a client is just type stop and then press enter. He'll be disconnected from the server. That's why we're saying while message is not equal to stop, this particular task will continue to happen. So now what we'll do, we go to say message equal connection dot receive, and then we'll specify maybe the maximum length of the message. Maybe is this somewhere, and then we'll have to print it. Let's decode it. We have to print it. and then we'll close the connection and we'll close the socket. Ooh. And then we're done with our server. Now let's go and create the client. As you can see that I've already created the client, so I'm gonna just take this out and then I'll explain it to you. And now here in the client you need to make connection to the server that we have already built, and we'll do that by connecting to the host that is specified in the server, and we'll use the same, and then we'll use the same port number, and we'll do that by sock.connect connect. We'll be using localhost, which is 127.0.0.1, and the port number that you use is port 5000. Yeah, port 5000. And then here the shell message equal to nothing, and then while uh, message is not equal to stop, will, let's say, message equal to input, because this message will be inputted by the client. Oh, oh, and then we'll have to send the message using sock.send, and then our message, and then we'll encode it to a readable format, which is UTF-8, and then we'll have to close the socket, and then we'll have to save this file, and then let's go and run the server. Oh, connection is made. So now let's go and run the client. Oh, and I'll run the client using the command prompt. I'll run client by using Python client underscore to the by, yeah. So let's send the message. Let's just say good morning. Let's go see if it appears in the server. This uh, what did I do here? Something wrong I did in the server, so I put the, the message variable in columns. So I need to run the server again. And then let's cancel this and run this again. And then let's write down the message. Good morning. Oh, so this is actually working, and I'm going to create part 2 when we will enable multiple client to connect to the server. That's it for today. Yeah, goodbye.